been thinking, baby, we could get away and never look back, never look back, never look back, no, never look back, never look back, no. There's no place I'd rather be, 'cause we're gone when you're staring back at me, 'cause we're gone.
I'm heading out. I got stone in my shoes. So me and Hubby are heading out to go get some stuff done. Well, I don't know where he's taking me, but I'm dressed for now.
Where are you taking my mother?
Hello. Look at this one hanging off in the car. Huh?
Everything wrong with me.
So,
Yeah, come to.
you're not coming nowhere.
Why?
This is a couples only time getaway.
Uno's not couples, Uno's brother and sister.
Alright.
Come on,
so-
we are a couple. Come on, come.
What?
We are a couple. We are coming here.
Gotta love country life, eh? What is he right there? Nice little goat in the front yard.
Mommy, couple.
Lanny boo?
We are couple, you know. Come. Ready? Ready?
Yes.
Okay, ready. We are coming here.
Eh? I forgot he doesn't even have no thing on. He should just chase you. That would be funny to see the goat chase him down the street. Alright. Babe, you ready?
Mommy, you have chocolate in the fridge? Yes.
Don't worry about that. I think those are charged. What do you mean how? Your dog? Those are charged. They're charged. Bye, Lanny boo! Eh? Oh, them face are poppy up off the door, boy. Eh?
They're supposed to get you.
You see your face? Eh? So you look handsome when your hair is cut?
No.
No? You want to stay a bushman?
If they cut the way I'm around, then
Even better, yeah. See, look how fast your hair grow.
you're not growing back.
Your hair grows fast.
Last year it took 3 months.
3 months?
Yes.
Your face fever.
Should take forever.
Oh gosh. So we are on our way out now. Oh goodness. No?
Chocolate.
Thanks for what chocolate. If you touch my chocolate in there.
Yeah, me. When I got road, I can't get more.
I see if yes. Copy pack them we clean up there, so that's what you need to go do. We'll see you later.
My chocolate.
Guys, guess what line me now? So I said, country girl, come to town. My baby's taking me to get KFC because I wanted some KFC. I haven't had any KFC since I've been here, and every time I come down
here, where?
what? Since I've been in Jamaica, and Mario Constance said no. But my want KFC.
How much years?
How much years do I have KFC? The last time I had KFC was when we had the trip. We did the family trip and we went to YS Falls. That was 2019? Yeah, 2019.
Not that long.
Maybe not that long. That well overdue.
Should have longer.
Well overdue. What do you mean it's longer? And when I came down last year, we didn't get no KFC either. Yes, when we came down in the beginning of the last year, we still didn't get no KFC. So me actually here, we go KFC sign. So I'm waiting for get my famous Jamaican KFC.
If they're not no famous bowl, me not stop. Sorry for you.
Really?
Yeah.
Don't play with me. What if they're no famous bowl? Yes, guys. I don't know what Mr. Williams have planned for me later, but right now I'm in town because
One bulla.
what? Your face about one bulla. You want a bulla lick?
I want Pepsi.
Oh, so that's my birthday gift? No, sorry. No, we're not playing the game today.
Why?
We are not playing those games today. It's been a while since I've actually celebrated my birthday. I can't tell when last I went out. Actually, I can't tell. It's been when Mario first came to Canada, and we just went out, had gone out to dinner, and I haven't celebrated my birthday. Well, I do celebrate my birthday every year, but I haven't gone extreme. I wanted to do a photo shoot this year, but unfortunately that's not happening.
Why?
What do you mean why?
Because why?
Oh, you're gonna make me do a photo shoot for my birthday? because we didn't plan all of that. I didn't end up planning all that stuff because plans got messed up, so that's why.
Man, you couldn't go by me.
So that's why. Because I wanted to do a photo shoot for my birthday this year, and we had some other things planned, but you know, things kind of didn't work out the way planned, and yeah.
Your birthday too close to funeral day.
Birthday too close to funeral day, yeah.
Look at
So it was 2 days ago we actually laid Mario's dad to rest, and this weekend coming up we have 2 more family members we're laying to rest, and we have another family member to lay to rest. Oh God. So it's, yeah, it's just, you know, it's just been a very crazy time right now for us. So yeah, and then it's also close to, it's been 1 year now since Mario's mom has passed. So his mom has passed 1 year Saturday that just passed, and then we buried his dad Sunday. Yeah, so it's just been one of those days. So a lot of things that we wanted to do kind of got canceled, but the good thing is that, you know, we're all together as a family. We're doing stuff together as a family. That's why I tell you, like, now, like, you know, at the end of the day, sometimes you have to put your differences aside, and know that tomorrow is not promised to nobody. You know, life is just so short, and you don't know. Every day you get up, you have to be thankful, because you can wake up, say you wake up 7 o'clock this morning, and by 8-9 o'clock you're dead, you know. So you have to be very grateful that you are alive. A lot of us, we take being alive for granted, you know. We think that, oh, we're going to bed tonight, so we're gonna get up tomorrow. No, you never know what might happen. You might go out there on the road and you might never end up reaching home, and that has happened to so many people. So in life, you have to be grateful. You could be going to bed and all your limbs and everything was working, your heart, you're breathing fine, and you end up going to bed and you wake up and all of a sudden you're paralyzed from the waist down. So at the end of the day, I always say, like, you have to be grateful, because tomorrow's not promised to nobody, and none of us know our time or our hour. So this is why with me, I take my birthday so special. And you know, I take my birthday so special because that's the day that I came into this earth, you know. So I always have to know that that's my one day. If no other day is special to me, that one day is my most special day, right? Because you're here now and you might be gone in a second or the next day. So, but we're just here. I'm about to get me some food. Okay, girl is hungry.
Always.
I mean, always.
The morning never hungry.
I told Mr. Williams we need to go car shopping, but
what?
We're not gonna go look at the car today. Kisses.
Hello.
I wanted but tell him I want my car for my birthday, but in the whole up for me.
What kind of chicken you want?
Spicy chicken.
That's still not answer what you want.
They have the chicken box. What? $4.50 for a chicken box. What comes in the chicken box?
Chicken box combo.
No, wait. I want a piece of chicken that there.
Yeah.
Okay, no, you can't upgrade.
Yeah, no, that's
no.
Alright.
I want at least a 2-piece. You're so disgusting.
10 piece.
Okay, now you're pushing it.
Hey, birthday, maybe you can get it ready.
What you go do? Ask them for your 10-piece and tell them to put whipped cream and a cherry on top of it?
Yeah, the whipped cream and chicken.
Eh? Well, you got to turn it into a chicken cake. I turn it into a chicken cake.
So you want hot and spicy combo?
Hot and spicy combo? What combo do they have? Yeah, hot and spicy combo with fries and a drink.
3-piece or what?
Yeah, me take 3-piece. Maybe me just eat the 2, but me take it 3.
So you want one big deal drink?
If I did overseas, look on the prices, see how food out here cheaper. when me and Mario usually go and buy food, we don't eat at KFC, guys. One time Mario ever tried. And I don't even know if he ever told you guys the story about the KFC when he come over overseas and try the KFC. And he said, Shan, what kind of water this year? You know, see something run. And he's never eaten it again since then. Corn? No, corn's gonna get stuck up in my teeth right now.
This corn looks good.
You sure?
What? Huh?
You sure?
See, they have corn with butter there. But again.
So, but look, even their family bucket, look at that. They have the party bucket. What is that? 5,000? How much? No, that's a big. Is it the big bucket? It's still cheaper than when we do. Like, even from Mary Brown's, when you order over, you get 21 piece. That's not bad. 5,000. That's like what? $52 for 51 piece.
A big deal.
You get a
Without
13 piece for that price overseas.
Pardon me? Yeah, that's a combo, right, with fries and drink.
Oh, they have zinger boxes.
Can I have
too.
Sprite?
And hot wings. Pepsi.
Alright, I'll take Pepsi. Yeah, you got famous bowl? Really?
So take a chicken burger.
No famous bowl, eh? You have popcorn chicken? What the fuck?
What do they have?
Alright, just give me that one order, okay? Pepsi. Yeah, can I have a corn? You don't have corn either?
Oh my goodness.
Alright, I'll just take that one. Alright.
So what do you take a zinger? It's a chicken burger. Oh no.
Them disappoint me.
Yeah, look how long we haven't come here and they don't have a zinger.
They don't have not even corn, they don't have. Like, really?
That's sad. That's
No
sad.
famous bowl. No popcorn chicken. No corn.
Baby's not happy. Look, in all the stress is in the whole head. Oh, my sugar. KFC. Open the chicken there. So it look nice and crisp. Oh gosh. So I'm about to chow down and eat this bad boy. Mario going to Old Joe to go get himself some food.
Mario is very disappointed.
Yeah, Mario disappointed. Cup and jelly, man.
Something,
Oh.
No,
Oh yeah. Look, I know a coconut tree that they have right there, so.
maybe I have plenty.
I want you to go see Mrs. Williams. Mrs. Williams soon cost you. How long time you go see her now? I have to go visit her.
Mrs. Williams.
Mother cost you too. I said, Mario, you come on, you come see me. All years now, I don't see you. Let me see. So this is how much this costs. $8.75.
Canadian.
870. Oh. $875 Jamaican. So this is not even. This is about what? $8 because I think it's like dollar for dollar. It's about $8.75. And to even buy KFC or even Burger King, anything, you're paying over $10, which will be over $1,000 overseas for food. With food, because the 3 pieces like more. Any guess? Okay. You can stop at the gas station. So I'm going to dig in. Mario's going to Old Joe's over here at Fairview Mall. So he's gonna go get himself his food.
Fairview Shopping Center.
And me, I go sit down and eat my food because your girl is hungry. So maybe catch you guys when we're done. Yeah, back. And this is what I got. He got, what is this, macaroni pie, which I'm eating. And we got rice and peas, sweet potato, callaloo, and veggie chunks. This is my callaloo. So, you know what? I just want some of the callaloo to eat.
May I take KFC?
What? You ate some of my fries, yeah, because you don't eat the part of chicken and when you give me, why you not eat any?
Why?
because there's no breast in there in my plate. I mean, to me, guys, I'm asking for a little bit of the callaloo because callaloo is good for iron.
Love you too.
Okay, I love you too, but I want some of your callaloo. What does that have to do with love? I want some of your callaloo. If you love me, you give me some of your callaloo.
Take it.
Put it in my mouth. Ah, really? I empty fucking. I soon bite you.
Alright. I'm gonna get to it.
What? What do you mean they think someone make it through it? You know how much you get with it? Me? A whole heap.
You better stop talking, son. Nobody hear you.
A whole heap. You get away with a whole heap. Tell you that much. So, let me go finish help him eat.
Can I come out?
Oh God. So I'm gonna finish help him eat, guys, and then I'll be back. Well, babe did bring me to the car mart, and we are looking at some vehicles. I don't know if you see too much. Maybe see 1 and 2 truck that we might want to get rid of the car. We need to upgrade. We need a truck for country road. Can't deal with the other stuff anymore. So this one looks fully equipped, babe. Oh, the sun is hot, boy. So we actually left town. We're on our way up just now because your girls gotta get ready and they gotta go up and get ready and head back out just now. So yeah, we're on our way home. You have a nice little outing today, babes?
What you did?
Eh? You have a nice little outing today? We had a nice little outing today. I can't say anything better. It was a good little outing. Spent some nice quality time together. And now we're gonna end the night just right. Good night, guys. It's still my birthday. I just went home and changed and got ready, and we're leaving. We're running a little bit late. We came up from Bay extra late. I guess I will show you guys my outfit when my birthday fit, when I get out of the car. Like, we literally just came straight back up, showered, just changed and got ready. I didn't even get to really do that much to my makeup. It's a good thing it was pretty much done. I just touched it up a little bit, but that is pretty much it. But we're on our way down, and boy, your girl, they always say, Mario say, I buy puss in a bag. Mario said, me dress, me buy puss in a bag. So I am actually going to give away this dress because I didn't know that it was so revealing. So, but at the end of the day, I'm still going to wear it because it is my birthday. But I'm actually giving this dress away. So it's just a one night wear and it will be given away. So, but I will definitely show you guys my outfit when I get out the car. And I bought my heels. I'm wearing, let me find them. So I'm actually wearing my nude heels with it, and I got my clear bag with it. So that's just my accessory, except for like my watch. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So hopefully I could get better lighting. I brought the camera, so maybe I could get some footage when we reach where we are going. I will definitely show you guys, yeah, what we are dealing with. But we're gonna go play some music now, and April don't want no copyright, so I guess I'll catch you guys maybe further down. So we have reached the destination. Thank God we're able to reach it on time. It is dark because it's outside, an outside setting, but yeah, we're actually it's dark. Oh, I wish we had came here a little bit earlier. Oh my gosh,
It's all your fault.
What do you mean it's all my fault? Don't blame me.
It's all your fault.
Disgusting. Is it this one? This one's trying to blame me and tell me it's all my fault. It's not all my fault, guys. We were busy, like I said, we're in town. I was trying to get an outfit from way before when I told Mr. Williams that I needed an outfit for my birthday.
And I did bring you didn't find any.
Okay, but I know.
So don't blame me.
It's your fault.
Really not.
I don't know which one I want.
This one and this one.
Oh, that's nice. Here's a plane about to land. Oh, it's a night flight. Mr. Williams, why do you have your mask on?
For safety.
Safety from what?
From you.
Look, guys, we are right beside the waters. Oh, I love me some water. I'm a water baby, so ocean is the best place to be beside. And there's a boat out there.
Why are you videoing me?
I'm capturing our memories together.
Yeah, too much.
What? What do you mean we have too much?
Too much memory no good.
Hey, it's always good.
Too much memory no good. You're mad.
It's your feels. So I'm drinking some pina colada. And if he doesn't come back in time, I'm gonna drink his. Oh, he got a cherry too? Oh yeah. So if he doesn't come back in time before he is back, I'm going to drink his. I guess he went to go get something from the car and come back. So sorry for the lighting, guys, but I hope they're enjoying the vlog, my birthday. Oh, and I said I will show you guys my outfit. I will actually make Mario record it. I took off my heels based on where we are over here, so I am actually wearing flats. So I wore my heels and now we're wearing flats. This is so good. This is so good. This is just a really nice, and you guys can hear the ocean. I am sitting right by the ocean, like overlooking, you know, it's a beautiful scenery and I love it. Could not ask for a better night than just, and it's a full moon tonight, guys. Yeah, it is a full moon. Let me see if you guys can see the moon. Okay, guys, so the queen got her crown for her birthday, and this is the food. Yeah,
the king of it tastes first.
What do you mean the king of it tastes first? Look at this one. Scrape off everything off his plate already.
I don't need it.
Yeah. And of course this one have to get the biggest fish, and it's my birthday.
Yours bigger than mine.
Oh, mine bigger than yours.
Can you see?
How's the food, babe? Good? Yeah. Good?
But me no want these.
And we got a nice view. So we're just having a nice little romantic dinner, and this is just good enough for me. It's just nice to be sitting outside, being by the beach where I can eat and enjoy myself. So I'm about to dig in and have some of this bad boy just now. So I just finished eating, and I had to cut short because it is curfew time down here. They're still on curfew time. I'm actually waiting on Mario. He's getting a cup, and he also got your girl some bellies. Yeah, your girl some bellies. So I'm about to have a drink. You know, look at my beautiful crown that they gave me. Oh. Gave me a nice crown. That was sweet of them. So I'm just waiting on Mario to come gosh. And now we got to get up, go up before curfew catches us down here. We don't want no problems, but it should be okay. Oh. Yeah? Backside him and give you the real cup. Yes. Thank you to the guy that gave us the real cup. Okay, you pour me some Baileys? Now this is what you called an end to a birthday. Full it! I hope you have such a big smile upon your face. Happy your birthday?
Fully.
Is that why you're smiling so much?
You soon start laugh off your face. Every time you start laugh, you know you're gone, you're done. Drink and be merry. Close the door. I can't drink it because I drive.
Okay.
So
Oh, please. But he's not. So how are you having a drink?
It's not easy.
Oh, you're tasting it? Alright.
I have to make sure you say alright.
Oh, okay. Alright, guys. And it fits in the cup holder. So, time for the queen to head out. I guess I'll catch you guys when we reach up. I still didn't even show you guys my outfit, but when I go up, I'll show you guys it. If it's still in good condition.
Family seat, everything alright.
Family see it, everything's alright. I say they don't need to see it. It would have been nice to go and walk on the beach, but we'll save that for another time. For curfew, but this was nice. So, bottles up, and thank you all for all the birthday wishes. It was much appreciated, but birthday's not finished yet. The party's just getting started. Finally get me some apples, guys. Mario see apples, so he turned around to get me some apple.
I wish by the tree there. We can come back and pick some. Eh?
I purchased them, sir.
Purchase it. What time you come out, morning time?
So I start work from 10 and sometimes I reach until 2 o'clock.
Oh gosh, we're not going to
no, we must have come back up. We have come back up.
Okay. Alright,
time after 2. So you can pick some nice lushable ones for me. And me come, let me pass me to them. Eh?
I want little part of the tree here. And we have to try beat the bird. If you notice, they're not well read.
And that me I want that too, so I go and like you know try beat somebody. I say I go.
Yeah.
I saw me I go in and I pass and I see bucket, so I say no, so my babes always ask the apple, so I say me just turn around and just get it.
Thanks.
Yeah man, no worries.
Alright, have a good night.
Same to you.
You can back up in here, babe. Alright, I got me some apples. Okay. Let me go have a shot of my Baileys. No, babes, the water. I mean, the ice the water it now. Oh, that dog just sitting there just barking.
Water mouth.
Hello, I murdered the dog.
Kill him. I mean, all night. In bed.
Remember, I just had a pina colada.
By the way,
Eh?
where am I going there?
Me not drink it off.
Really?
Hello, you were there doing other things, so me not drink it off.
Me name put left if you drink it off.
It was gonna go to waste.
Man, if you see no more apple.
Yeah, look if I see any more apple.
You don't mind think you have to pick them before they
Maybe before everybody picked them off of the tree.
No, the bird, them is the bird, they might them up.
Oh, okay.
You have to beat the bird, but because on one side I tree beer.
I know, it's just nice. She's just grinning, you know. I love seeing people hustling, you know. It better you hustle for an honest dollar and, you know, just get your daily bread. But let me get back to drinking this thing before it starts fully watered down and we can't enjoy my
Work.
So we just got home. Babes, the way you put my cup. We just got home. We had a great night. Oh, my birthday, 100% awesome. It's been a while since I've had a nice birthday. I think, what, 4 years ago since I've had a nice birthday like that. And the last time 4 years ago, it was actually, I had my birthday in Jamaica. So it was really nice to have a nice birthday. But let me show you guys my outfit of the night. I have no shoes on right now, but let me show you. Yes, I can hold this. Hold this. Okay. So this is my outfit. Give me my crab boy. And this is what it looks like. So that's what I wear. And look, this one is wearing my crown that I got. You need to shrink down to size. Why are you so tall? I like it when you were little. You're like down here. Now you're taller than me. So, oh my God. Why are you guys up here? Y'all need to go down there. But any guys. What? But anyways, you're gonna say good night to everybody? Huh? Say good night. Mr. Williams eat big. What do you mean? Mr. Williams ate big fish, and he enjoyed himself. We tried to get some footage from the drone, but I don't know. We will see. If I did get good footage, it will actually be in this video. If not, sorry guys. It's time for bed. We got an early morning tomorrow. We have a family trip. So the kids don't need to go to bed now. Please come and pack up the toys. And yeah, so see you guys in the morning. Have a good night, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to tell a friend to come and join the Williams fam. Why it's always a vibes over here. I love you guys and stay blessed. Peace out, guys.
All our thorough fears we see. No point we left. We can't sink on the Titanic. Fight for you, you fight for me. Die for you. Remember when them tell us that me could be the wife for you. That in the past and we pass it just like an interlude. How they meet, how them greet is like real life an interview. That in the days and now it's every day.